Hey everybody, I want to tell you a little story about my dad, okay? He was basically my first customer, and the only reason you're watching this video and I ever got into this business was because I didn't help my mom. Had no idea. She's living in the home she was born in. She fell in the bathtub, broke her hip. The medical downward spiral caused her to end up dying in a nursing home a year later. Finally, I convinced my dad that we were going to put a walk-in tub for him, and I had learned about medical hydrotherapy, and I created this, and I told him, I said, Dad, I'm going to put this therapeutic process in your tub. He said, yeah, I don't need that. I don't want any therapy. I'm going, Dad, look, just try it and use it, okay? So, of course, I'm in Denver. He's in Arkansas, so I wasn't with him every day and I couldn't see him, but we visit, my sister and I. My sister was there visiting him shortly thereafter, and she called me up one day and she says, George, Dad bathes almost every day. It's really kind of weird. And in fact, he goes in the bathroom and he locks the door. And then after a while, I hear the motor go on, the blower for the therapy thing. And then a few minutes later, I hear him going, ooh, I love my tub. And she's like, what's he doing in there? And I'm like, I don't know. I don't really want to know, but he sounds happy. And she says, well, he comes out and he starts talking about, I'm pain-free. I feel great. And she's like, do you think that it has something to do with the tub? And I said, well, I imagine so. And she's like, how could he be pain-free? What is it? You think this is some kind of a placebo or something? And I thought for a minute and I go, well, I don't know. But who cares, okay? If my dad's happy and he's having a good time and he thinks he's pain-free, he feels pain-free, that's a wonderful thing, okay? So I'm here to tell you, sometimes we have to break out of our shell and try some things we haven't tried before. We might find that we've got something that's truly life-altering.
And I couldn't do without my Bentley walk-in bathtub.
And since then, I've had any number of customers tell me, ooh, I love my tub.
Everybody ought to have. You sort of have to let this soak in.
Okay, guys, take care. I love you all.